Have you ever looked into the fridge and had no idea what to make? Well, I got you. I'm going to tell you my 5 staples to keep in your fridge at all times for easy summer weeknight meals. I'm Juli Bauer Roth, the food, fitness, and lifestyle blogger behind PaleoMG. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share my favorite food, workout, and wellness tips to help you live your best day in life. Today, we're diving in to the fridge. It's not organized in there, okay? I'm not gonna be one of those people who organizes my fridge to take a video, okay? Let's be realistic here. But there's some things that I keep in my fridge at all times. At this point, my fridge is full with different things, but oftentimes it is not, and I have to figure out some sort of meal, and I need something in my fridge. I'm gonna get into freezer stuff another time, but oftentimes I just pull meat out of the freezer and pop it in the fridge to defrost, and that's how I just make easy meals by tomorrow. But let's talk about what's in the fridge right now. We're gonna dive in. I'm gonna show you all the nitty-gritty stuff back there, and the 5 staple items that I keep on hand at all times for easy summer weeknight meals. Weekends, we tend to go out to eat, even sometimes on weeknights. I might get frozen yogurt for dinner tonight. It's hard to say. But if I wanted to make dinner tonight, I have all the staples I need. Let's dive in. Ta-da! Okay, we don't keep things organized. Also, this fridge really sucks that there used to be glass. You can see it here. There used to be glass right here in a jar. Smashed it and broke it, and we never fixed it. But you can see, I don't keep things very organized in the veggie drawer. Oh, but this looks nice. Yeah, some coconut water, some poppies, delicious, highly recommend. So let's see, what are some of my favorites? First up, I always keep some sort of meat, and oftentimes that's a grass-fed beef. So that means I either have steak or ground beef in my fridge. I love to do ground beef because then I can make easy taco bowls. I can just cook up some ground beef, I can add some taco seasoning and make a salad or make a bowl. I have a recipe on my blog for veggie loaded taco bowls. I'll link it below. But right now, what do I have? Okay, dig a little bit. I got some steaks. These are ribeye steaks. I get my steaks from Butcher Box, and it comes frozen, delivered to my doorstep, and then all I do is pop everything in the freezer, and when I need to defrost something, I just pop it in the fridge. So I always have steaks on hand. I also have steak tips, which are so good. I have a steak tip hash on my blog. I'll link it below. It is delicious for a breakfast. So I always have steaks. I think it's very important to get red meat in your diet. Mixed opinions out there. That is just mine. Do you, whatever feels good to you. But I always have some sort of meat. In this corner, I have a big ol' pork shoulder that I can just pop into the crock pot or instant pot at any time. I just like to keep a lot of meat on hand. But meat like this, steak tips, ground beef, steak, will cook up in minutes, and then you can be very creative with it. Don't worry, I'll link more recipes below to help you out. Number 2 on the list, I keep this on hand at all times, salad greens. Any sort of salad greens. I love spinach, I love arugula. Right now I have little gems. How cute. And then I have butter lettuce plus, whatever that means. And in the drawer, I also have, here's romaine. I got that arugula I was talking about, ready to go with a salad really quickly. Salads are so freaking easy. You can use those steak tips, you can use that steak, you can use that ground beef, and then you can cut up all this different lettuce and just make a salad out of it. So freaking easy. And honestly, the dressing that I always make is just a little olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper. That's it. Sometimes I add some lemon juice if I have that on hand. And guess what? I do, okay? This drawer won't close most of the time because of it. I always keep those on hand. And if you wanna go a little fancy, okay, we're going outside the 5 right now, but if you wanna go fancy, get some herbs. I always have different herbs on hand. Okay, so this is sad, but I used to have an herb garden, but when my dog got really sick, I just couldn't take care of him and the herb garden while in my first trimester of pregnancy, and so I stopped the herb garden, and it's like the easiest thing ever. I'll start it back up someday, but until then, I have chives. Oh gosh, okay. I have basil. I have dill. And then I just finished some mint because I put it in a salad. All these herbs Green onions are in here. All these herbs are gonna make salads even better and way more flavorful than just, you know, some romaine or butter lettuce. So add that to the 5, okay? Don't be mad. Number 3, you ready? Cheese, okay? I keep cheese, oh my gosh, at all times. I have some raw cheese. I love this one. Also, these stasher bags are incredible. Instead of using just plastic bags, highly recommend them. Stasher or Zip Top, great bags, great bags. So check this out. I got some grass-fed raw cheddar cheese. I love to keep this on hand. And I also keep some sort of briny, I'm scared this one is gonna pour over. Now this is another one I like to keep on hand, feta cheese. I like to do some briny, you know, tart type of cheese because it goes so well in salads or just on top of some meat or just by itself, you know, as a little snack, a little cracker. Feta cheese, goat cheese, any of those briny cheeses I like to keep on hand. This is obviously quite large. Love this. Cheese on hand in salads as snacks, you're good to go. You ate my smoked salmon for my video. God damn it, Brian.
We've had that in there for...
But I was gonna use it for a video, okay? So now you have to help me think of one more.
Well, I can go get some.
No. What are just other things I like to keep on hand? I'm not trying to make you feel bad, just like slightly bad, you know? Your phone's ringing.
Yeah, I'd love to stay in chat.
Love you too, boo. Number 4. You ready? This one's very simple. It's very simple. Raw veggies. So it's summer, it's hot. You don't want to turn your oven on. You don't want to roast veggies. You don't even really want to cook them up in a pan, but raw veggies are fantastic for that. So I love to keep Persian cucumbers or English cucumbers on hand because they're less seedy, and then I just chop those up and they have really soft outside skin. So I think they go great as snacks, great with a hummus, great with a different dip or in salad. Then bell peppers. I like to keep these little sweet peppers because also they go great with dip just on the side of like a charcuterie board, but they also go great in salads, bowls on top of taco bowls. Okay, we're gonna go back to taco bowls because that's what we make like every single week. I always keep these on hand. Another one, I do celery, but I also like to do carrots. Carrots you can use in a ribbon salad. I'm gonna link some of my favorite carrot salad. They're raw carrot salads, so you're either gonna slice them up, chop them up, or you're gonna thinly slice them and you're gonna make this ribbon salad. I have a harissa pomegranate carrot salad as well as this Moroccan carrot salad that is phenomenal. Okay, you have to try that one. I'll link both of them below, but of course they have other things that, you know, you can bake them, you can make little carrot fritters, but you know, that takes more cooking. This are completely raw, really cold, and it just gets better in the fridge. So not only can you make different side dishes, but you can toss these into different salads. It's so easy. Carrots, I love them. I love them so much. Beautiful, baby. Number 5, you ready? It's one of my favorite of all. Smoked salmon. I get wild caught smoked salmon. I love it to death. I just yelled at Brian because I thought he ate the last of it, but there's a package left. It's right here. So smoked salmon is our go-to in summer. Okay, I'm gonna say this for the 40,000th time. It's like, shut up, Julie. You can put it in salads. But something I love to do, if you thinly slice some cucumber, long way, you know, hot dog way, then you can add some dip on top. Two of my favorites, we got this majestic garlic. And then we have this Sosie's Armenian yogurt dip. It's an artichoke and dill. Add those two to the cucumber, hummus, whatever you want. You're free as a bird. You can use whatever dip you want. Then take a slice of the smoked salmon, put it on top of the cucumber, and make little roll-ups. Obviously, you can do this with tortillas. You can make all those little pinwheels. You know, you used to eat those as a kid. Loved pinwheels. Well, you can make smoked salmon pinwheels. So good, so high in protein, so nutritious. It's packed with all sorts of nutrients to keep you going, keep you energized. Smoked salmon is the tits. And one of my current favorite things to do is to make a smoked salmon toast. There's a restaurant here in Denver called Narrative. Okay, if you're ever in Denver, you gotta go. They have a smoked salmon toast that has this thick piece of sourdough. Then it has whipped ricotta on top and smoked salmon, and you can get an egg. And then it has like some herbs and pea shoots. It's incredible. So I try to make that at home, and it's pathetic compared to theirs. But I do sourdough, I add some majestic garlic on top, I do the smoked salmon with some different herbs. If I'm feeling frisky, I do an egg on top. So stinking good. Keep smoked salmon on hand for not only having snacks, but then quick protein when you don't feel like cooking anything at the end of the day. Now that's it. That's all, okay? Stop looking inside my refrigerator. God, oh Jesus. The doors open by themselves. This refrigerator's so weird. Now that's it. That's what I like to keep in my fridge. Our fridge, you know? This is a husband and wife duo here. That's what I like to keep in our fridge for easy weeknight meals. I can always whip something up. I can always find a snack, and it's gonna be a high protein, nutrient-rich snack or meal. But, okay, I wanna hear from you. What do you like to keep in your fridge? Because everybody's so different. What makes meals super easy, especially in the summer? Because now we just don't want to cook as much. Of course, we can go out on the grill, but I like rarely touch the grill. So I like to do raw things as much as possible, or little cooking on the stovetop as much as possible. But what do you like to do? What makes your meals super easy? Leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget, I linked all these different recipes below, and so you can use these staples in your own cooking at home. I hope this video helped you out and gets you thinking a little bit differently for your own meals at home, and gets you a little bit more creative without having to spend much time. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a little like, and don't forget to subscribe. I want to hang out with you, okay? Let's chill together. And I have a few other videos I think you're gonna enjoy, so stay tuned for those. They're coming up.